somewhere in the is-air, up in the smoke clears out. I get high so much that all my pickups are up his out. I'm on this, I got this, sitting on some profits. I'm chilling on the beach with Martha Stewart and some sock tips. You last year like Crocs, I'm this year like this year. My future looking bright, so I say it's looking crystal clear. I'm so sweet like Krispy Kreme, 5 or 6 up in the beam, driving down on 95. Bitch, I'm headed to the bean. I got what you hating on, dog, I'm what you trying to be. So keep going like free throwing, cause I'm all up behind the 3. I'm with your girl up in your bed. All those lines are kinda dead, but it's true, I'm actually fucking her. Forget all of those lines I said, I'm known to be a king. I was born to be a star. All these people looking at me like I'm born to mow their lawn. But fuck that, I'm outie like an Audi. I'm outie like an any man, I'm outie out in Maui. With some girlies on my nuts like I'm a rap star or something. And they trying to take me home, but I'm just trying to make some muffins. Cause I'm high as fuck, Bong the Ripper, you the loser, I'm the winner. And my girlie got that ass, bet it's thicker than a Snicker. My life's bling, your wife changed, in my bed, life changed. We fucked all in the football stands, call that shit a night game. I'm smoking on that light green, it burns down till it's white. That good stuff can do that, dog, look it up cause I'm right. www.suckmydick, hashtag fuck your bitch. Got that colon power money, semicolon I'm rich bitch. Period, I'm kick flipping, shoelaces, my Vans tripping. I'm falling over, I'm drizzy drunk, Mike Jones still tipping. I got these kids at my show smoking weed up in the crowd. Security can't kick them out, we burn this motherfucker down. We lamp until she turn me off, get it lamps, turn it off. I treat my girl like luxury, call that chick a foreign car. I'm sicker than the common cold, sicker than being kinda old. And fuck these little bitches who got one flow, they kinda blow. I got that, I don't need a hook, like hand fishing, don't need a hook. English class, I'm in this bitch, best believe I don't read a book. I keep my joints stuffed like you never check the mail. That last line was braille, so stay out of my business.